the fucking stock market. It's a Shark Tank, grab his cue in a market.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Hunter Overall here, and I'm back with Red Dead Redemption 2. We're going to do the Eagle Flies mission called Favored Sons. So let's go.
So good of you to join us. What's going on? Rebellion, the smell of cordite and integrity. It is a beautiful thing. What are y'all doing? An eye for an eye. We didn't start this, Arthur. They did. We? This ain't our fault. It surely is. Whatever it is, it ain't a good idea. They want you to fight. Nobody will be killed. We're just gonna trap a few of them in the valley, disarm them, tar and feather them, and remind them to leave these boys alone. You have energy for Frank? Come on, Arthur. Just tweaking Uncle Sam's nose a little. I need you to help me. Besides, it's perfect. People will see these boys. They won't notice us, and they'll think we're gone. Everyone will blame everything on the Indian problem, and we'll disappear up the river. But first, we need to trap them in this pass. Help me dynamite up these trees. So, you're using them? No, sir. No. Never. But it is mutually beneficial to draw attention to one problem and avail over another. So these are good people, but their situation is real complex. We ain't helping. Come on, let's get this done. We don't have a lot of time. The patrol should be coming in a few minutes. Okay. Hurry, Arthur. I'll plant the dynamite, you run the wire. Well, keep lookout. Come up here.
Roger. Come on, Arthur. I know you don't want to do it. Come on.
Some of that dynamite, you and Bill commandeered from Van Horn. Good work with that, by the way.
They'll play drums.
The perfect man for the job.
Also, I don't know if you know about off screen, but I'm having a lot of chest problems while I'm recording this episode. Just to let y'all know.
You finally got to see Colm Hank. Yeah. After all those years. Hard to believe. Oh, but it was worth the wait. See? We're tying up the loose ends, Arthur. One by one.
Shit. Yo, XL, what's up? We're slowly coming to the end of this game, though.
Do it. Come on now, quick. Get back up here. Okay, let's go, Arthur.
Oh shit. having chest problems. In game, we're setting up a trap for the army.
The detonator's finding. Here. My spotter will let us know when they're near. They're coming now. God damn. Patrol's a lot larger than we thought it was going to be. Don't worry. That's a good thing. Okay, that's the signal. Here they come. Stay low and quiet. You sure you don't want me to man that plunger, Arthur? No.
I got it.
Oh, remove the weight.
I'm ma'am so far.
We're just going to give them a bit of a scare.
Okay, do not fall, Arthur.
Looks like more than we thought. It's fine. We're only here to talk and administer a little good old-fashioned humiliation. You're owed that, son, at the very least. Wait for my lead, men. Everyone just stay calm. We've got the upper hand here. Okay, they passed.
Boom, bitches.
Put your hands up. You surrounded. Nobody needs to get hurt.
Your humiliation of us has gone on quite enough. This ain't a good idea. Put down your guns. You are making a mistake, boy.
No,
No,
you're
making a mistake. Put your hands up, soldier. Take a little humiliation and leave these fine folks alone.
Who are you?
A concerned citizen.
Is that so?
What now? We should move. No, not quite yet. Soldier, you and your friends gonna tuck tail and run off? Run!
Excuse me?
I'm getting bored of this. Your friends flying first, soldier!
Dutch.
Donna won't be happy about it. You put them through this. Let's make them pay. There's another.
Looks like we got a fight there, boys.
Shit. So come up the hill.
Look out. They're coming up.
And we got boom, boom, boom. And immediately boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
You fools, you damn fools. It's the army. It is one regiment of pastry chefs and bullies. Watch your goddamn mouth. All of you, take what you can, and then we move out. Now, we have to move now.
Get these men quickly, then we move.
Your father's not gonna be happy about this, Eagle Flies. You know this.
Jesus Christ, why aren't we getting out of here? They might have information on them that'll help our friends with their cause.
We need anything my father can use to strengthen our case.
I ain't sure much is gonna strengthen your case after this. Find anything? Yes. Some poor fool from New Jersey. These boys ain't the problem. They're only kids. Keep looking.
Shit! They gotta go.
Everyone!
That's too many men for my liking.
Where's Pecta?
Shit. They're sending riders from the fort we need to leave.
But where's Pecta? Was he killed? He's alive.
Well, that went just about according to plan. I'm trying, Arthur, with everything.
But remember that, that's gonna be a short.
Trying, and you'll keep doubting me. We'll keep failing. It ain't like that, Dutch. Look at me. Look at me. I'm worried about folk. I know.
Oh, shit.
We should go. Where's Eagle Flies? Run, son! Run! Come on!
We gotta
This
go.
area's gonna be
We gotta go.
crawling with soldiers.
We gotta fucking go.
Few minutes. We gotta leave. Now!
Now you want to get out of here. God, you're just...
What about Eagle Flies?
Yeah, what about Eagle Flies, man?
Back to what you were saying. We gotta go, Arthur. Come on. We need to ride home first. Stay with me.
We're gonna swap repeaters because this is bullshit.
Back here, into the trees. Okay, let's dismount here. We won't get the horses down this path. All right.
I ain't getting my jack shit above us. Fucking knew it.
Let's see if there's a way out through here.
I can't aim for shit.
Let's keep going. Follow the path. It's got to spin us out somewhere.
You gotta be shit, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh my god, I'm getting shot for shit. Look, did you see how many Dutch had behind you? I'm bopping all of them, Dutch. You. Oh well. Dutch lost his hat. Oh well. We're getting the fuck out of here. Shit, yeah. Yep.
This is it.
Fuck. We're fucked.
Well, Arthur, put your hands up. I said, put your damn hands up. Okay. Follow my lead. I got a plan. This is a good one. Hello.
Remember those two lines.
Keep them hands up and come here.
I can't do that.
Put your hands up.
Hello, Captain.
Keep your hands up and come here. Come here.
We can't do that. Your man, those men they killed, they were good men. You're fighting nature, Captain. Get over here. Ask my friends here. My whole life, I tried to fight change. It's a waste. I see that now. It's a waste. You can't fight nature.
Remember that speech from Red Dead Redemption 1?
You can't fight
Because I'm going to be doing that soon. I don't know when, but soon.
gravity.
Yeet! There goes my hat. Shit. Oh my god, no. Dutch! Dutch! Where are you, Dutch? Oh, there you are. Come on.
You're okay. What a mess. I know, but a mess is what we need. Oh, we just escaped from chaos. Eagle flies must have been taken, killed. Well, we can't go find out. No, not now. Charles, we'll send them. Where is it? Probably back at camp. Let's split up. I'll go tell him. You rest up, then go meet him up at the reservation. We are gonna make it, brother. I can feel it. Faith, Arthur. Have faith.
Here we go. Hunter stuff. I'm seeing a damn deer. Are you seeing a damn deer? Because I am. Right at 15 minutes. Okay.